Hello children, today's EVS subject. Today's new topic is how we travel. Road travel. Vehicles take us from one place to another. Children, vehicles means वाहनों. वाहनों हमें एक स्थान से दूसरा स्थान तक ले जाते हैं. Some vehicles move on land, some on tracks, some on water, and some in air. Children, look at these vehicles. These are move on land. These are road transport. Okay, children. Auto rickshaw, scooter, car, truck, rickshaw, bus, bicycle, motorcycle. These are move on a road. Auto rickshaw has 3 wheels. Rickshaw has also 3 wheels. Scooter, bicycle, motorcycle. These 3 vehicles have 2 wheels. Car and bus have 4 wheels. Truck has 6 wheels. We can carry the loads on trucks. Other vehicles we use to travel on the road. Okay, children. Match the vehicles with the number of wheels. This is your homework. Now, children, tell me, auto rickshaw has how many wheels have auto rickshaw? How many wheels has auto rickshaw? Yes, auto rickshaw has 3 wheels. So you have to match like this. Rickshaw has also 3 wheels. So you have to match like this. Scooter, bicycle, motorcycle. These vehicles have 2 wheels. So you have to match like this. Okay. Understood, children? Car and bus have 4 wheels. So you have to match like this. Truck has how many wheels have truck? Yes, truck has 6 wheels. Understood, children? On the tracks. Some vehicles move on tracks. Metro train, passenger train. This is train. Okay, children. These vehicles move on tracks. Metro train and passenger train we use to travel from one place to another place. Okay, children. This is your homework. Do you have metro in your city? If yes, color the box. Next, color the engine black and bogies red. Children, look at the train. This is engine and these are bogies. Train have a engine and many bogies and many wheels. Okay, children. So you have to color engine in black and bogies are red in color. Okay. Next is in the air. Some vehicles move in the air. Look at these pictures. Aeroplane, rocket, helicopter, hot air balloon and a glider. These vehicles moves in the air. Children, this is your homework. Join the dots and make the path for things that can go in the air. Children, you have to join this dot. Okay. Like this. You have to join these dots. These vehicles moves in the air. Okay. Understood, children? Travel match. Match the vehicles with where they move. Where they move these vehicles. Children, tell me. Robot moves on water. Yes, very good. So you have to match like this. And ship also moves on water. Motorcycle moves on land. Yes, here road transport. And car moves road transport. Yes, cycles moves on road. Next is train moves on track. Passenger train is also move on track. Aeroplane and helicopter moves in the air. Yes, so you have to match like this. Understood, children? Is same kind. Match the same kind of transport. Children, look at these pictures. Truck, robot, metro train, aeroplane, ship, bus, helicopter, passenger train. Now children, tell me which are the same kind of transport? Truck and bus. These vehicles are road transport. This moves on road. So these are same. Okay, same kind of transport. These are road transport. Now children, robot and ship moves on water. So these are water transport. Okay. Metro train and passenger train. These moves on track. Yes. So these are same. Aeroplane and helicopter moves on air. So these are air transport. Understood, children?